my brows off camera. And for the brows, I use my Nyx Brow Gel in the color Espresso to do my brows. And then I use my Too Faced concealer in the color Butterscotch, as if I didn't know that. Like, I use this concealer all the time, so how could I not know? Yeah, so let's jump right into the video. Let's get started. Okay. So I'm gonna just use my Too Faced Hangover 3-in-1 spray, and I'm gonna spray that all over my face. Now that it's nice and dried down, yeah, I'm gonna start with the eyes first today, and I'm going to use my P.Louise base in the color 0.5. And if you guys hear any noise in the background, I'm sorry, you guys. There's a lot of construction going on outside, so just try to ignore it. I hope it's not too loud and distracting, but yeah. Starting with YouTube, you can get a little discouraged when you see other makeup influencers and gurus doing the damn thing. So, you know, it can be a little, but never ever give up. Like, I won't stop. Like, I'm not gonna stop, you know, because first things first, you have to believe in yourself. Like, you have to believe that you're good enough and you're great. And you are good enough and you're great. Just whatever craft you have or talent that you have, just keep working at it. Just keep going. Just never ever stop. Never ever stop, because the more practice, the better you become. So, you know, just keep practicing. Don't let you know, other people that's in the same field or same thing that you're doing, and they might be better than you because they've probably been practicing and have a lot of years of experience, but don't ever let that discourage you, because you can be great too. Like, seriously. Everybody's great in their own way. Everybody has their own talents. And, you know, why not share it with the world, you know? God gave us our talents so that we can share them with the world. You know, because we have some very unique people in this world, you know? Okay, so I'm done blending out that base. So, all right, you guys, and I'm using Old Faithful. I'm using my 35B Morphe palette. It is beat up. I don't know. It's clean though. I clean it. I sanitize it. But I'm going to go in with this purple, and I'm going to put that in my crease. And I'm just going to place that purple color right in my crease and build up that color. And then I'm gonna blend the edges out just a little bit. Just like that. Going in with the hot pink color, and I'm going to put that above the purple and blend it out. I'm just like, if they could do it, I could do it too. Like, I was taking my daughter to school yesterday, and I was listening to the Breakfast Club with Charlemagne and DJ Envy and Angela Yee. And they were talking about this man that supposedly changed his name legally to something sexy. I don't remember. So I'm thinking, okay, they're just talking about, you know, his weird name change. So then they're like, okay, well, he's the donkey of the day. And I'm just like, okay, so what are they coming with now? This man, this is so gross, you guys. Like, I'm really, like, this is so nasty and gross. I'm really feeling sick talking about it. This man was having sex with his pit bull dog. And I'm just like, ew, that's disgusting. That is so nasty. Like, I don't understand. This must be the end times, like, seriously. Because I don't understand how in your right mind you think that it's okay to have sexual intercourse with a dog. A dog. Like, seriously. I was so disgusted. It's not even funny. I was so disgusted. I don't understand what's going through his mind. And to be quite honest with you guys, I really don't even want to know. How could you do that? Like, how? I don't get it. I don't get it. I guess it's not meant for me to get, because I'm not an evil person. Like, I don't think evil thoughts. I don't think about, oh, how am I gonna get this person back? If somebody did something to me, I just keep it pushing and keep it moving, because I don't have time for all of that. Like, that's, to me, that's like a waste of energy. Right now, I'm going in with some more of that base, and I'm going to carve out my crease. Get ready to put that color on. I'm going to place it right on the edge of that plum color that we did earlier. I'm just gonna place it right on the edge. And I'm just using a flat eyeshadow brush, and I'm really trying to get in there. This is a beautiful blue color. Like, this is so nice. I like this color. This is nice. Okay. We're gonna put that right on the edge. Just like that. Color right here, Dahlia. I'm gonna go in with Dahlia. Excuse me. And I'm gonna place Dahlia right in front of that darker blue shade that we had earlier. So I'm gonna put Dahlia right up in here. I'm gonna go back into the Morphe 35B palette, and I'm gonna use this like a lime green color here. I'm gonna use this color, and I'm gonna put that in my inner corner. I'm gonna use a little bit of this green color Molly, and I'm going to put that in the inner corner. I did my lashes off camera, so we're gonna get ready to start on my face. I'll start on my face here, and I did clean up the edges of my liner with my, now that the eyes are done, I'm gonna go in with my Too Faced Poreless Skin Smoothing Primer. I know you guys see my dark circles. I don't know why my eyes look like that. I think it's because when I was younger, I used to pull my eye down to put on eyeliner, because I thought I was cute going to school. So I would put eyeliner on, and I would pull my drag on my skin. I think that's what I caused that. I'm the cause of that. Yeah, I am. I'm the cause of that. Maybelline Dewy and Smooth in the color 355 Coconut. Ooh, I think I'm almost out. Okay, and I'm gonna apply my concealer. I'm gonna just use my same foundation brush. I'm not using any extra product, and I'm just gonna go over the edges. I love this powder. It is the bomb. People be sleeping on drugstore, but I'm serious. Like, this powder is the bomb. I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline loose powder, and in the color Deep 35, I'm going to set underneath my eyes first because I don't want it to crease up on me. So I'm gonna go ahead and set it with my powder. My Maybelline Matte and Poreless powder. It's in 355 Coconut, the same color as my foundation. I'm using a flat top brush, and I'm going to just set my foundation. Then I'm going to go in with some of that Maybelline setting powder that I used, and I'm going to carve out my cheekbone. And I'm just going to use the same powder brush, and I'm going to dust off the setting powder. My Covergirl bronzer in Ebony, and I'm going to use that just to bronze up my face. I'm gonna go in and bronze my nose. Then I'm going to use my spray, my Faced Hangover spray, and I'm going to, it was given to me as a gift, so I'm going to use this palette. Let's see what color I want to use. I'm going to use this pink color here. So these companies need to do better with these cameras, because you spend all this money on a camera and you're trying to film and the camera just keeps dying. I mean, that is so annoying to me. It's very annoying. Like, it's frustrating when you're trying to get your videos done and then boom, you see the thing flashing, the camera's dying, and then you have to change the battery. It's like, it's too much. You have to buy all these batteries and all this extra. It's just too much. I feel like if you're going to spend that much money on a camera, it should at least have a good battery life. Like, this is ridiculous, for real, seriously. Okay, and then I did my blush. So now I'm going to use this Wet n Wild Glow crown of my Canopy. That's the name of it. It's a Wet n Wild Glow. It's really pretty. I'm going to use that to highlight. Baby, listen. This glow didn't come to play. This glow came to slay, honey. I'm going to put a little bit on the highest part of my brow. My brow bone. Plum color that I used earlier. And I'm going to put that on the bottom lash line. Not the bottom, under my under eye area. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna apply that right underneath. I'm gonna go back in with Dahlia. And I'm going to take my NYX Jumbo Pencil in white, and I'm going to apply and then I'm going in to do my bottom lash line. I mean, my bottom lash line. My bottom lashes, I'm sorry. Bam, and then now time for the lips. Going in with this lip pencil. It's like a dark purple lip pencil. And I'm going to line my lips. And then I'm gonna use this Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's the Rio, and it's like a lip gloss, but it's a lip gloss with a color, so it's gonna give me a lot of pigment. So I'm gonna use that. And I'm just gonna go and apply it on my lips. Oh, I love this. Look how pigmented it is, guys. Look at that. So you know how sometimes you have to put your color down and then go over your color with a gloss? Not with this. This is just the job. Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's like a light pink color. The name of the color is Milkshake. And I'm gonna go with my Huda Beauty Resting Boss Face. Okay guys, this is the finished look. Thank you guys so much for your support. If you like what you see in this video, join the fam. Join the Beat Babe fam. Make sure you hit that bell. Make sure you like and comment on this video. Comment your thoughts. Tell me what you think about this look. This tutorial was really fun. I enjoyed it. I appreciate you guys coming over and watching me on my channel. Guys, I'm so happy that I'm feeling better and I'm not really under the weather anymore. But that's good. Woo, yes. So I'm gonna continue to film some more looks for you guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you next time, guys. Bye.